Hi everyone, I'm CEO from Online Health Guide, and in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. Unblocking someone allows you to reconnect and restore communication with that person on the platform. So let's get started on how to unblock someone on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and find the blocked option. Once you find it, tap on it. Here you can see all the users that you have blocked. Find the users that you want to unblock and tap on the unblock option right beside it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to unblock this user. To proceed, tap on the unblock option again and confirm your choice. And this is how you can unblock someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.